So this is it. It's the big day. I'm heading up to work in Maine. Yes, I'm going back up to that motel I stayed at back in March. And this time I'm going up there to do some work. I'm going to be setting up some networking for them. So, got a ways to go yet. Still a couple 100 miles here. Just got into Maine. Just got past their first rest area. So, crossing the York River now. Got probably about 3.5 hours ahead of me yet still. So we'll get as far up there as quickly as we can here. And it should be a lot of fun. It should be a very different experience. So we'll see what this trip comes up with. So I arrived at my first night at Leisure Life Resort, but really didn't shoot much in the way of any video that evening. I did, of course, get a visit from my buddy Echo, who will also be more than willing to help me with my job. That night I stopped at JMO's Pizza for dinner. Didn't really feel like cooking after the 5-hour drive, so that's okay, the pizza was very good. And of course, while I was working, the cameras were put away, but I did have some great help from Echo. It's nice to have good help. So this is the end of a very busy work day for me. Up at the motel here, I got their main office and their home all wired up. Tomorrow we'll get the motel unit itself all wired in. And this is how I'm finishing this part of the day off here with a nice dinner. Quick and simple. Chicken fingers, a few mozzarella sticks, a few onion rings, and just for my friend Johnny, cheesy fries. And a Coke. Should be a good way to end this, and then I think I'm going to go out for a little hike after this, just to get out for a bit. Okay, so I'm done with my dinner, and it's not a bad day. A little soggy out, but it's not too bad out. Probably around 50 degrees, so not terribly warm, not terribly dry, not sunny at all, but it's not bad. But my work is done for the day, my dinner's done. Now the rest of the evening is mine, so I'm going to go for a little walk. I'm going to head out to back to downtown Greenville, and then I'm going to go explore that multi-use trail that I found last time I was up here. See if there's anything interesting to see down there. Well, there's the start of the multi-use trail. There's a nice little babbling brook next to it. Oh. Very nice. I don't know where this trail goes or how far I'm going to follow it. Well, let's follow it for a little ways. Let's just see. So that trip ended up being kind of anticlimactic. I'm already halfway back again. It was interesting, but this is really the end of the multi-use trail here. It just kind of crosses the train tracks emerges into the snowmobile trail system. Didn't really seem to go anyplace. Oh well. It was worth an explore anyway. The interesting part about this section of it though, this actually used to be a train track right here. This is an old rail bed. It would emerge into this track over here and then pulled up along Moosehead Lake. It was interesting to see some of the old signs of the old train tracks and things like that. I believe this to be one of the old railroad ties. At least that's what it looks like to me anyway. What I've seen here so far. It looks like they missed one here. Some train tracks used to be a little to the side over here from the looks of it. Quite following the path of the trail. Interesting find. Okay, we're coming back onto the interesting Greenville Multi-Use trail. Like I said, it wasn't as exciting as I was anticipating it to be. I was hoping it might go someplace. Kind of a short trail, doesn't really go anywhere. In the next video, we explore the path this short spur followed through downtown Greenville, and see a few other interesting sights along the way. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more, remember to hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and remember to slow down and enjoy life.